I'm waiting. Zed, are you there? Why are you not responding?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. Are you solving it? If you are unable to solve it, any one of you, you can directly ask me.
So can you show this? Explain this one.
See, it's the same as the previous one. This is your functional group, and we need to go for alpha hydrogen. So this is alpha carbon, and this is also alpha carbon. You can take any one of the alpha hydrogen from their carbon. So basically, I'm going to write it like this. As you can see, this will be CH2 and H. This is your alpha hydrogen. And what I need to do, just see, this hydrogen will be left with H plus. Oh, wait a minute. There is C. There was C that I haven't written. So you can see this will be CH3, C double bond O, and it will be CH2 minus. That makes it nucleophile. Again, you have to take 1 mole of this. So I'm going to take another mole of this propanol, and it will be like this. So what you just did is you made one of the carbonyl compound nucleophile. I'm going to make this another propanol carbonyl compound as electrophile. And how it is possible? Oxygen is more electronegative, so it will take electron from carbon. Now you can see there will be deficiency of electron on this carbon. So this electron, this carbon will attack on this. So I'm going to write this part first. You can see how I'm going to write. This is your CH3 and this is your C, which is O negative. And this CH3 I'm going to write down here. Is that clear to everyone? Everyone is here with me? Now, this CH2 is making bond with this carbon, that is CH2. And after this, you can see this is your C double bond O is there. And then the CH3 is there. So I'm going to write it like this. And after this, I'm going to hydrolyze this. So H2 has 2 parts, H plus and OH minus, as you know that. So this H plus is going to attack here, and you can see the main product will be CH3COH, and then CH3 is there, and then again CH2 is there, and then you can see C double bond O is there, and then after this CH3 is there. So we call it basically, you can see this is your alpha, this is your beta, this is not alpha. I wrote it wrong. You can see this is your main functional group. So this is your alpha and this is your beta. So So we can write beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. And since you can see there is ketone, so keto and kit and all is for alcohol. So this is ketone. And we can also do the aldol condensation, ketol condensation in the way you just need to remove water from here. And from where you are going to remove water? See, alpha beta. That means from beta carbon you are going to remove this OH, and from alpha carbon you are going to remove hydrogen. So there will be double bond between this and it becomes CH, and there was CH3 and there was also CH3, and the rest part is as it is. So this is your condensation process. Is that clear to everyone? So this was basically normal aldol or ketone. And this is basically your ketone, not aldol, because we used ketone. So please do write it and let me know. Then there will be cross aldol, which is also very easy, not tough. We can do that also easily. Cross aldol, that means we are going to take aldehyde and ketone as well. So please do write it and let me know when you are done with this.
Sir, only one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, how did you we did a reaction with using H minus OH in this third? The rest I understood. That part.
H minus OH. This is HOH, H2O.
Yeah.
We did hydrolysis here. In this step, we did hydrolysis. Water has two parts. That is H plus and OH minus, and H plus that will attack on O minus. So it becomes alcohol. And in the next step for condensation, we remove the water. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So by hydrolysis.
Yeah, hydrolysis. Please do write it. Let me know if you have any doubt. Everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Doing so, just almost done.
Dismiss me.
Done.
Okay, please do the rest, write the rest, and then you are going to do the aldol condensation for this. This is very important, and you can get marks for this up to 3 or 4 marks in your board. It's very easy. You need to do.
So that is
Aldol.
CS3, no? The question.
Where it is.
Yeah.
This is your CS. CS3.
No,
CS3.
this one, sir. Downwards. Not.
Oh, wait a minute. I think I have a mistake in here. So you can see. Oh, wait a minute. Just did a mistake. Oh, yeah, it's good. I was thinking I had written there. Yes, what you are asking?
I was asking there, was it CH3 because it looked like H3?
Where it is? It is
Yeah,
CS3, CS3.
No, which you just typed, sir. Which you just typed, right? The question. Yeah, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Yeah.
Yeah, this is your next question.
Yeah, next question. Okay.
Yes, this next question. You need to do the ketol for this. This is your dilute NaOH. Zach, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You are not responding to them. Do you have any doubt in this? So in this one, we also need to take care of. I haven't read. When we do condensation, symbol in the last step. Please do write it. Let me know when you are done with this. A very easy question. Should I explain if you have any doubt? Alan, Anushka,
Sir,
Alan, do you have any doubt in this? Are you able to solve it? This is very important.
yes, sir,
reaction of-
yes, sir.
Okay. So please do let me know the name of the final product after condensation. Anyone got the answer?
Sir, I tried, sir, but I think I'm getting it wrong. So if you can just- Sir, can you just explain this question?
What you just said?
Can you just explain the question, sir? Because I think I'm getting it wrong.
Yeah. I will explain it. Have anyone got the answer?
Sir, I got, but it's wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna explain it. Wait a minute. Yes, everyone. So, see, it's your alpha hydrogen. Either you can take the alpha hydrogen from here or here, whatever you wish. Okay. So, I'm going to take from here in between the carbon. So, this is your alpha hydrogen. So, as you can see, this is your alpha hydrogen. So, it will be, this is your alpha hydrogen, most acidic hydrogen. So, it will leave with H plus. So, there will be negative charge here, and there will be double bond as well as CH2. Now we are going to take another ketone, that is basically, as you can see, this is your CH3, CH2, and C double bond O, CH3. Actually, we should take here, but it's okay, no problem. Now you need to make a electrophile. So if you are going to this oxygen will take electron from carbon, so there will be deficiency of electron on this carbon. So this carbon will attack on this because it will act as nucleophile, and in order to satisfy it, it will attack. So I'm going to write this point first. So there was CH3, then CH2, and then C and its O negative, and I'm going to write this CH3 downward. After this carbon will be directly connected with this carbon, so I'm going to write CH, and I'm going to write this CH3 downward, and after this CH, there was C double bond O, and then CH3 it was. This is CH3, right? I had wrong it. This is your CH3. And after that, you need to do H2O hydrolysis. That means H plus will attack on this, and you will get a product that is beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, and it will be basically CH3, CH2, and then C, and this will be OH, and then CH3. And after this, you can see this is your CH, and then again CH3, and then C double bond O, and then CH3. After this, to do the aldol condensation, you are going to heat it so that H2O will be removed or eliminated, and H2O will be removed. You can see alpha beta. From beta carbon, hydroxide will go, and this is your alpha. This is your not this. Wait a minute. This C double bond O is your functional group. So alpha carbon is here and alpha carbon is here. In order to remove the hydrogen, we will use this. In order to remove the water, we will use this alpha hydrogen and this OH beta hydroxide. So the main product will be CH3. So the main product you can see. Can everyone see the screen? Ahmad?
Sir, it's
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay. So this is your CH3. Thank you. This is your CH2. And since this OH and this hydrogen is eliminated, so there will be C and there was CH3, and there will be double bond now. And this is your C and this is CH3. Again, this is your C double bond O CH. Okay, one more question which is very important. If you have removed alpha hydrogen from here, you will get another product. So if you remove the alpha hydrogen from here, you will get another product. Are you getting my point? Is that from where you remove the alpha hydrogen? Alpha hydrogen is most acidic hydrogen. Please do write it.
Okay.
I'm waiting. Actually, try it with ethanol, propanol, propanol, ethanol, propanol, because they are small. If you are going to choose bigger carbonyl compound, it will be difficult to understand. First, you need to practice on the smaller aldehyde and ketones, and then go for the bigger one. Please do let me know when you are done with this. Do you need me to slide it up?
so if you can just please let it scroll it a bit.
Yeah, why not? Is it
Yes.
good?
Yes, sir.
Please. Anushka, when will be your pre-board?
Yes, sir.
Pre-board. The date for pre-board.
Sir, we have my chemistry mock one is at on 5th of this month, December.
What is the syllabus?
Sir, all the chapters.
Of the chapters? How many chapters do you have prepared?
Sir, first book is done.
First, what you just said?
First book, the part one.
Okay. You have completely prepared the first book?
Yes, sir.
Only... Okay.
So now only organic chemistry is remaining. This one, the book two.
Okay. No problem. I mean, sir, not that much big chapter. It's
Yes, sir.
a small chapter. Please
Can
do
you
let me know
scroll?
when you are done with this. Yes, sir.
Can you scroll?
Scroll down. Okay. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Amar? Okay. Now let's just start this cross aldol. Cross aldol condensation. Cross, that means basically you are going to use different types of aldehydes like CH3CHO. This is your ethanol, and you are going to use propanol as well, CH3CH2CHO. So there will be two more than basically four products. There will be four products. How it is going to be four products? So my first question is that I'm going to explain. See, whenever cross aldol will be there, and cross aldol will be recognized by, you can see there is two different moles of aldehyde. So as you can see, CH3CHO can have its own aldol condensation in the way we did at the starting. So we are going to do the aldol condensation of this CH3 alone, and from there you will get one product. Is that clear? I'm going to show you. I have done this CH3CHO. Now where it is? This. So by the aldol condensation of this CH3CHO, you will get this product. You will get this product, and after condensation, you will get this product. After condensation, you will get this product. Then again, you are going to do the aldol condensation of propanol separately as the way we did for this, and you got a product this propanol aldol condensation of propanol. After that, you are going to do aldol condensation of these both together. How it is possible? So it's very easy. First, you are going to take H plus, that means alpha hydrogen, out from here. That means you are going to make it nucleophile first and make it electrophile, and then add them and do the reaction in the way we just did, and you will get a product. You just got the third product. After that, you are going to make it nucleophile by removing H plus ion, alpha hydrogen, and make it nucleophile. This is nucleophile, then make it electrophile, and then you are going to do the same, and you will get the fourth product. If you don't get it, so what I'm going to ask you, just do that. Please do aldol condensation. I know you have already done in the previous class, but it will be very helpful to understand. Please do aldol condensation separately for CH3, CH2. Just don't look at the solution or the explanation that I had given in the previous class. Do the aldol condensation of this separately as well as this. I'm waiting. And please let me know the answer. Can you do this? Zad, Anushka, Ahmad.
Yes,
Yes,
trying to do.
Yes, sir. Do.
Okay. Please do it separately. Anushka, might be there will be question in your pre-board from this topic.
Yes, sir.
Be focused. Okay. Are you done with this separately? Not the third and fourth product that I will explain.
No, sir. I'm still.
Okay. Jayad, any answer?
No, sir, trying.
What is the problem you all are facing? At least we should have done till at least one.
Sir, I think I got it wrong. Can you just explain?
Okay, I'm going to explain it. It's very easy. So what you need to take care of is first you separately I'm going to take it. So this is your CH3 CH, and everyone knows that at least one alpha hydrogen is required for this aldol condensation. So this will be like CH2H. And what you need to just make a nucleophile. So this is your alpha hydrogen. So you are going to remove this H. So you can see in the presence of dilute NaOH or NaOH, that is understood that it is dilute. So it will be basically CH2 minus C double bond O H. This is your nucleophile. It becomes nucleophile because it has negative charge carbon and ion. Now you are going to again take the same reactant, 2 moles. We are going to take 2 moles of this. So make it electrophile. How it is possible? Oxygen is more electronegative, so it will take carbon's electron. So there will be deficiency of carbon. So as you can see, there will be the next structure will be like this, O negative, and there will be positive. That is showing that carbon is a carbon having deficiency of electron. So at that time, this carbon which has negative charge will attack this carbon to satisfy. So I'm going to write this part first. So as you can see, this is your CH3 and this is your CO negative, and there was H. And since it is going to, it has negative charge, that means it has what we call 2 electrons. So it will donate one of its electron to this carbon and make a bond with this CH2. And after this CH2, there was C double bond OH. So this was your C double bond OH. Now, what you need to do is hydrolysis. That means HOH, you are going to use H2O, from which H plus will be attacking this O minus and it will become alcohol. So this will be your product. Before condensation. Before condensation, this will be your product OH and then CH2 and then C double bond OH. This is your product before condensation, or after condensation. That means basically minus H2O, and you are going to heat it. So what you need to do, this is your main functional group C double OH. This is your main functional group. So this will be your alpha and beta. So what you need to do, just take care of this. Remove OH from beta and remove hydrogen from alpha, and you will get the main product or the major product. So you can see this will be CH and then double bond and then CH2 was there. So now it will be CH because one of the hydrogen is lost with OH to eliminate water. So this will be the product after aldol condensation. And in cross aldol condensation, this is the first product you got. Is that clear to everyone? What is the problem in solving this equation? Please let me know.
So for me, it's confusing, like the break, like when we break the bond, where will it go and get it?
Anushka, what you need to do, just make sure that you are going to make one nucleophile negative charge. That means alpha hydrogen, remove alpha hydrogen and make negative alpha hydrogen. That means it will eliminate in the form of H plus. So its electron is with carbon, and carbon in this bond 2 electrons is present. So one of the electron is of hydrogen and one of the electron of its carbon. So it will have negative charge. From another aldehyde, you are going to make an electrophile. And how it is possible? You can see oxygen is more electronegative, doubly bonded. So it will take electron from this carbon, and it will have positive charge. So this negative charge will be attacking on that positive charge, and right in a good manner or ordered way, not in wrong. If you are mistaking here, then be focused. After this, you will get this, and after this process, it's very easy. Going to hydrolyze it, in which O negative will be occupied by H, so it will become alcohol. After this, you are going to do the condensation, heat and H2 removing. OH will be removed from beta and hydrogen will be removed from alpha. So this is the, please do write it. Please do let me know if you still have any doubt. Give some time to this. Focus here. Zaid,
Yes, sir.
have you got it? Do you have any other doubt in this?
Trying.
You just do it. Ahmad and Alan,
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
what doubt?
Sir, how do we know that we have to use specific condensation? Because for me, sir, when I was doing this, I knew that by hydrolysis we can solve this. But after that, sir, what is alpha? How can we react alpha then beta? That I was really confused in condensation. So
In this part,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
see, if you got this, if you have got this, it's very easy now. Can you tell me which functional group is senior? Aldehyde or aldehyde or alcohol? Aldehyde is senior functional group, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see this is your senior functional group. And with respect to this functional group, this is your alpha carbon and this is your beta carbon. Okay.
Okay.
And you will always get OH on the beta carbon. And this is your, the hydrogen which is connected with the alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. So what you need to do, just remove one hydrogen and OH. You can see I'm going to write this in the way you can see. CH2, I'm going to write CH. Can I write this? And you are going to
Yes,
remove
sir.
this and put a double bond in between this. So you will get this.
So,
Can you
but why
change
are
the
we
slide?
so but why are we adding double
Why
bond?
are you okay. So if you are breaking old bond, then you need to add bond.
Okay.
Simple. It's very simple. Carbon is making 4 bond always to make it stable. If
Yeah.
you are just removing this, it will have only 3 bonds, which is not possible. It is possible, but it will be highly unstable. So in order to stabilize itself, so it will make double bond. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Please do that.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm done writing.
You are done writing, then do the aldol condensation of this propane separately.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the first product of the previous question.
Sir, that's the first.
This is the first product.
Okay, sir.
From ethanol, we got the first product. Now you are going to do from propanol. Take your time, but do it correctly. It's very important. Are you done with this?
No, sir. Don't. Sir,
Yes.
sir, in all aldol condensation processes, we'll use dilute NaOH, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
And after this, heat will be there in the
Yes, sir.
second process for condensation. So I have done the first product. Please do let me know if you have any confusion. I will explain it again. We are doing the cross aldol in which we have to do the simple aldol of the both reactant. And after that, then I will show you the cross. Zad, are you done with this?
No, sir.
Still doing?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem in solving this? What is the problem that you all are facing and taking so much time? Now, just interact with me. It will be very easy for us to get the solution. Alan, what is the problem that you also facing?
No, sir, I can do it.
You can do it. That's good. Zad, Anushka, and Ahmad, I'm waiting for your reply. Please do
So
let me know.
almost done. Just doing and check the answer with you. Sir. Almost.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting sir CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH double bond O.
Only this?
Yes, I'm till here
There
I
is
get
no
two.
CHO in your
No,
product.
no, sir, no, sir. Things wrong there.
You have got the wrong answer. See, this should be your product.
CH3, CH2, CH.
So can you explain?
Yes, Zad, focus here. I'm going to explain it. First, I'm going to write it. See, this is your CH3, CH2, CH, right? So as you all know that this is your what? This is your functional group. So basically, this will be your alpha carbon, this will be your beta carbon. And aldol will occur only if there is alpha hydrogen. So you can see there are two alpha hydrogen. That means aldol is possible here. So I'm going to write in this CH3, CH, and then H, and then this is your C double bond OH. In the first step, you are going to react this with dilute NaOH, and what you need to do, this is if this is your alpha hydrogen, if this is your alpha hydrogen, then you know that alpha hydrogen is most acidic, so remove this, and there will be negative charge. So you can see this is your CH3 and then CH, and then negative charge is there, and then C double bond OH. Now this negative charge make this compound nucleophile. Yes or no? Answer me, Zab.
Yes, sir.
Now you are going to take another mole of this CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. You are going to take another mole of this. So since we are treating this as nucleophile, you are going to prepare an electrophile. And how it is possible? What you need to do, as you know that oxygen is more electronegative. So oxygen will take electron from carbon. So this carbon will have deficiency of electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this negatively charged will go and attack on that carbon. Now I'm going to write this part first. Okay. So I'm going to write CH3 and then there was CH2 And after this, since one of the bond between carbon and oxygen broken, and O is negative because it gains electron of carbon, and there was H with this carbon. Now, since this is attacking on this, so there will be directly bond between this, and this CH is connected with left hand side CH3. So I'm going to write CH3 here, and this CH connected with right hand side C double bond OH. So I'm
Oh,
going to write COH. Again, what I'm going to do, the hydrolysis in which you know that H plus is there. So what will happen? H plus is there. If H plus is there, so this H plus will directly go and connect with this O minus. So what will be the new product? As you can see, this will be the product CH3, CH2, and then CH, and with this CH, O minus was there, but H plus attacked on that, so it will be OH. After this, this is your CH3, and this is your CH3 here, CH and CH3, and after that C double bond OH is there. Up to this, you have only got the aldol. And how you are going to do the aldol condensation? So what you need to do, just heat and removal of water take place. And how you are going to remove the water? So beta from, you can see this is your main functional group, so this will be the main functional. This is alpha, this is beta. So from beta you are going to remove this OH, and from alpha this hydrogen. So you need to put the double bond between this carbon and this carbon as to as to stabilize it or satisfy the bond. So I'm going to write from the beginning CH3, CH2. Now OH, since removed in the form of water, it will have CH, then double bond, then C, because this hydrogen also removed to form water, and there was CH3. Got it? So this will be the second product from aldol, cross aldol condensation. You got it? Alan, did you get the same answer, or you have
Yes.
mistaken?
No, but I think I got a bit wrong, but yeah, I understand now.
Okay.
yes, even I got what did I do? Oh, I got it.
Zab, still you are facing problem in understanding this?
No, sir.
Please do write, everyone. Anushka, what about you?
Sir, there was a little mistake in mine, but I understood what mistake it is.
Let me know when you're done with this.
But then
Zab,
sorry.
Anushka.
So 1 minute almost.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, take your time. So we didn't finish that question. This is only the two products that you should have done from the previous classes. Now I'm going to do the main product, third and fourth. In this, one of the reactant you are going to treat first as nucleophile and another as electrophile. Then again, the first one as electrophile and another as nucleophile.
Sir, done.
Zed, are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. So this is the second. Now, if you are going to do the third, what you need to do? there was two reactants, CH3CHO, and the other is CH3CH2CHO. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to treat this or take this as nucleophile. So how it is possible? CH2CHO, and this is your hydrogen. So this will be removed. So you can see in the presence of dilute NaOH, as you can see, this will be CH2 negative. So you just made a nucleophile, and taking this second, so this will be CH3 CH2 and then C double bond O. I am just going to make it electrophile. How it is possible? You know that this oxygen will take electron from carbon. So this carbon will have deficiency of electron. So since this has negative charge, which means electron rich species, so this will attack on this. Now you will see that I'm going to write this one first. So this will be CH3 and then CH2, and then you can see this is your C, O negative and H is two. Now since this is directly tagging on this, so there will be CH2 and then CHO was there, so I'm going to write this C double bond O. After this, you are going to do hydrolysis. Wait a minute. After this, you will do hydrolysis. So please do let me know when you are able to see the screen. Can everyone
Yes, sir.
see the screen? So after this, you are going to do the hydrolysis in which you have H plus. So this H plus will attack on this, and what will be the aldol product? Cross aldol product. This will be your cross aldol product. This is OH, and I am going to show this CH. There was CH2, but I am going to show that like this, and then C double bond O, and then H. And for condensation, you are going to heat it so that H2 will be removed. And how H2 will be removed? It's very easy to understand. OH from beta and H from alpha will be eliminated, and there will be double bond CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH again C double bond. So this will be the third group. In this, what I had done, I took ethanol and made a nucleophile and this propanol as electrophile. Now in the fourth condition, what you need to do, they take this as nucleophile. And how you are going to prepare nucleophile? It's very easy. Just remove alpha hydrogen. If you are going to remove H plus alpha hydrogen in the form of H plus, there will be negative charge on this and it will be treated as nucleophile. And then again, you are going to make an electrophile of another one and then add it, hydrolyze it, removal of water, you will get your product. So please do write it. Let me know when you are done with this. Let me know when you are done with this.
Sir, almost.
Very good. So
Yes,
can
sir.
you do the okay? So can you do the fourth part? how you are going to do it. I made one of it to nucleophile, another an electrophile. You just need to reverse it. If you can do it, just let me know. If you can't, just let me know. Zaid, Ahmad, Anushka, Alan.
Okay.
Anushka, can you do that? The fourth reactant, fourth product. So, see, I'm going to explain. In the previous one, I made this ethanol as nucleophile. Now I am going to take this propanol. So this is your propanol. So in order to show this alpha hydrogen, I'm going to show like this. And you can see this is your dilute NaOH. And now what you need to do, it's very simple. Hydrogen will be, alpha hydrogen is most acidic. It will be removed and there will be CH3 and then CH and then negative is there and then CH. Wait a minute.
Sir, screen right.
Yeah. Let me know. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now you can see propanol as nucleophile. Now I'm going to take the other reactant and treating it as making it electrophile. How it is possible? It will take carbon's electron. So carbon will have deficiency of electron. So this will attack on this. I'm going to write this part first. As you can see, this is CH3. After this, O negative, and then H was there. Then this will be attacking on that. So there will be CH, and this CH3 I'm gonna put it here. And there was CHO. So I'm gonna write CHO at C double bond O. Now again you are going to see, I'm going to hydrolyze this, that means H2O, H plus, this H plus will be attacking on this O minus, so you will get CH3, COH, and then CH, and then CH, and then again CH3, C double bond O. So this is your cross aldol product, not cross aldol condensation. After this, you are going to heat it and remove H2O. From where you are going to remove H2O? So it's very simple, and you can see that this is your alpha and this is your beta. So alpha hydrogen from here and beta hydroxide from here. So the product will be CH3CH double bond C and then CH3 downward. There was CH3 downward and then C double bond O and then H. This will be the fourth product. So in cross aldol condensation or cross ketol condensation, we will get four products. How it is possible? So the individual aldol condensation and the if there is how you are going to do the cross aldol, if you will have two different aldehydes. So individual aldehydes will have two products corresponding to that aldehydes, and then cross you are going to make one nucleophile, another electrophile, then third product you are going to make another electrophile and the first one nucleophile, then the third fourth. This please look at it and let me know if you have any doubt in this. Yes.
Sir, your voice is breaking in between.
Is my voice breaking again?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please do let me know if you still have any doubt.
Sir, can you explain the third and fourth product again?
Yes, I can explain. See, in the first and second, it was both the reactant are same. You need to take 2 moles of either ethanol or propanol. But in the third condition, this is the third, right? Yeah. So see, in this cross aldol, you are going to take this part and then another this part. So this was the concept here. You in the previous one you have this, and at the place of this you have the same reactant, but in cross aldol you are going to treat this with this. So basically this is nucleophile, you can see here it is nucleophile, and another reactant that is available for cross aldol you are going to make it electrophile. In this way you can make it electrophile and just add the both reactants and you will get it, and then hydrolyze it, and then condensation H2, removal of H2. Now in the fourth you have for ethanol you prepared ethanol as nucleophile and propanol as electrophile. So in the fourth one you need to make this nucleophile, because in the previous one it was electrophile. So I just made this as nucleophile and this as electrophile. This was nucleophile in the previous one, third position. So just make it and add this according to the reaction, and then hydrolyze it, and then removal of water, then this main product will be formed. Is that clear, Anushka?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Everyone done with this?
So yeah, yes, almost done. Just fourth product is done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Done, everyone?
So, 1 minute.
Okay, let me know when you are done with this. Zed, are you done with
Yes, sir,
this?
done.
So see, I'm not gonna teach today any new reaction because it will be hodgepodge. So I will recommend all of you to practice this question